Hey there, mindful travelers. Behind me, you can see the Rocky Mountains. We're at Lookout Mountain.
Lookout Mountain?
Yep.
Cool, we're going to learn about Buffalo Bill today.
Yep. And I just want to tell the kids, today is my birthday, and you're never too young to change the world.
Happy birthday, Sarah! Yay! Here on Lookout Mountain, you can find Buffalo Bill Museum. It's not open right now, and we're not going to go in because we have some other things to do, like panning for gold and riding a railroad through the mountains. But if you're in the Denver area, Golden is just down below us. You can come by and learn about the Wild West. Here's the prices. Very affordable if you're active duty military. Significant discount.
Welcome, mindful travelers. I am standing in front of Buffalo Bill's grave, and as you see, his wife is buried with him.
And who is Buffalo Bill?
Buffalo Bill was a hero of the Wild West.
Well, he was a soldier, right? And then he put on a Wild West show.
Yeah.
And he loved Lookout Mountain, which is what we're standing on top of, and wanted to be buried here. Here's a little information display that talks about why Buffalo Bill was buried here. Sarah? Just down the hill, you can visit the museum.